Hello friends, as you already know that I bought some nail art products recently and I also bought cat eye gel nail polish. So today in this video I'm gonna create cat eye nails and here I'm removing the nail paint and preparing the nails for gel applications. She always use regular nail paints and it's her first time to get gel nails. And she said that she doesn't want any change or cut in her cuticles. So I will not do anything with the cuticles because I make sure that she feel comfortable and relaxed while getting her nails done. I removed the polish with oil based remover and applied acetone onto the nails to remove moisture from the nails. I mainly focused on the cuticle area because the gel lifting problems come from this area. I always do this process while nail extensions. And now I am cleaning the dust particle or any type of oil residue which is still there and can ruin the gel application. I am using block buffer to buff the nails because it's her first time of this process and I am not gonna buff her nails with hard buffers. As I do my nails and take care of them while doing gel extensions because I know it's not good for us to buff the nails so much. And if we buff them for long time, personally in my case, I sometimes feel like I have lost my nail strength. There are so many reasons of skipping many steps in working with gel which I experienced a lot. So when I do the nails of anyone, then I make sure that they get it safely and comfortably. I'm not doing so much buffing because her nail are already at the stage of gel application. After dusting with the brush, here I am wiping the nails with acetone. Preparing is the most important part of gel application because if you prepare your nails well, your nails look so clean and it's easy for gels to stick the surface of the nails. If you didn't watch my video with the title Nail Prep Day, you should watch it. I'm gonna apply the base coat. Here you can see I'm wiping off the excess amount and taking the less because I have to apply a thin layer of base coat. I am taking my time in this step because I don't have to touch it on the skin. You can see that I am applying the gel at the nearest area of her skin. This speed is not normal, but I was doing it so slowly. And doing the same process for all the nails. Cure for 60 seconds and now on the other. Applying acetone to remove the stickiness of the base coat. And now I am gonna do the same technique which I did in my video Nail Prep Day. If you watched that video or if you know that technique, comment now or like this video. She chose this color. So I am gonna mix it with the gel. Apply the first layer and will apply more layers as per her choice. removing the gel from the cuticle area. Make sure you remove that before curing. Cure for 60 seconds and doing the same with other. She wants one more layer, so I am applying the second layer. And now I'm gonna use 90 cat eye gel polish. It's from Chameleon in the shade silver. The cat eye gel polish have magnetic particles in its gel, and when we bring magnet near it, the particles move toward or away from the magnet according to the poles, and an effect is created like the shiny eye of the cat. That's why we call it cat eye gel polish. I chose this silver shade because I think it goes well with any color. I'm using the magnet stick which is also from Chameleon. It has two magnets, one is the rectangular one and other is small round one. I have no experience of this process, but I'm observing it and move it in so many angles that I get my cat eye look. And I feel like I should apply this more because the particles are not that much visible in the camera. And now I'm trying to give it a look, adjusting the magnet according to the particles movement. This is the round magnet which I was talking about. I think it focused the particles on a point. And after so many attempts, I got the exact same cat eye effect which I wanted. And moving to the next one. I'm gonna do these four fingers together. And let's see if I can do this or not. It's complicated to work at two or more fingers together because when you adjust the one finger, then the particles of the other finger will be affected. I'm only talking about cat eye nails. Because all the fingers are near to each other, so the cat eye look can be changed every time when magnet is near, only before curing. They settle down after cure. When she cured her nails, then she said she was feeling heat on the nails where the cat eye particles are more. And it's normal, don't worry about it. Because when you apply a thick coat of cat eye gel, then you will definitely feel the heat on the area you applied. Make sure you don't do this mistake, which I already did and now I learned from this. So for this feet I applied thin gel and now she didn't feel the heat. After curing now I am applying the non-wipe top coat. I don't know guys why they ain't looking that much pigmented and shiny, but in real these are looking so damn good. I wish you could see them in real. She is happy with her nails. And this makes me feel positive and improved. Hope you like this video. Bye.